Hi, we would like you to meet the Seton Hall Prep freshman math teachers. The materials that will be needed for our classes are a notebook, calculator, homework, and a pencil. You can expect homework to be assigned almost daily, and the homework assignments can be found on the portal. To receive full credit, the homework is reviewed for completion and effort. It is not graded on accuracy. Any homework that is missing or incomplete will receive a 0, and there may be a comment in the comment section for that specific assignment. There will be quizzes and tests assigned during each chapter. Quizzes will normally range from 25 to 50 points, and there will be at least one each chapter. Tests will be 100 points, and there will be one test at the end of the chapter. There will be 3 trimester exams, and those are worth 200 points. Please check the course syllabus to see what material is covered on each trimester exam. Each teacher provides their own extra help hours, so please review the portal to see what the teacher's schedule is. We highly encourage your sons to attend these extra help sessions so we can further help them to understand any class-related questions or homework questions. If a student cannot attend their teacher's extra help hours, we encourage them to send an email or a message on the portal to schedule a time that works best for them. Students that are learning virtually can join through Microsoft Teams, and a link will be provided on the teacher's portal so they can access the correct teacher's extra help session. Please feel free to reach out to any of the teachers if you have any questions. Expectations and the class syllabus can be found on the portal.